Warmly welcome to our website. We are Dongguan City Huili Apparel Company Limited, which is located in Humen Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. We have many years' experiences in producing clothes. We do OEM and ODM for all kinds of clothes. We cater to importers, distributors, all sales and retailers worldwide, including countries such as Europe, the United States, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, and Spain. We specialize in manufacturing and designing men clothes and sportswear, such as tracksuits, hoodies and sweatshirts, jackets, swimwear and beachwear, track pants, t-shirts, and tank tops, sweatpants. We have strong sample team, professional design team, and strict control process from sample to shipment. Our company keep maintaining excellent price and qualified products, as well as on-time deliveries. We have our own professional printing and embroidery machine. Your own design and original samples are welcomed. We supply our customer the newest products. Also, we have gained the good public praise from all the customers. We are constantly looking for opportunities to develop new relationships with you. If you are interested in any of our products, please feel free to contact us directly for more information. We'll supply you with first-class products and service. We trust that the good quality and reasonable price would enable you to gain more benefits. We look forward to establishing long-term business relations with you in the future.